AI is rewriting the rules of work. Automation is accelerating. The tools we use and the pace we move are changing so fast, it can feel impossible to keep up. But here's the thing, no matter how fast the world gets, there's one skill AI will never replace, and that's self awareness. Or at least we, at this moment in 2025, hope that it will not replace self awareness. I don't think it will. And if you're a leader, this skill isn't just nice to have, it's the thing that will keep you relevant and thriving in the next decade. Hey there, I'm Joanna, founder and chief empowerment officer of Insight. In today's world, the hard skills we relied on 5 years ago are already evolving. AI can draft your reports, analyze your data, and even help you brainstorm. But here's what it can't do, it can't lead humans. The leaders who will thrive aren't the ones who know every new tool. They're the ones who can keep their teams steady, engaged, and focused while the world around them moves faster and faster. And that starts with how well you understand yourself. So, what does it actually look like when a leader is self aware? They know their triggers. When stress spikes, they recognize it before it hijacks their communication. They pause before reacting, talk a lot about that here, which earns trust instead of tension. They name and manage their emotions, which helps their teams do the same. I worked with a VP recently who was leading an organization through a massive system overhaul. Her peers were stressed and snappy, and her team was panicking. And not to mention, the team dynamics with other departments was prickly. But because she had built her own self awareness, she could stay calm, communicate clearly, and keep everyone focused. Ultimately, her team delivered, not because the process was easy, but because she was steady. AI can write policy, it can't build trust. Self aware leaders are the ones people want to follow, not just because they're smart, but because they make people feel seen, heard, and safe, even when everything is shifting. And in a world where uncertainty is the only constant, that's the advantage no robot or machine can copy. If you're a leader who's ready to build that edge, to stay human in a world moving at the speed of tech, join the waitlist for the next Awareness Mastermind cohort. It's a space to build your self awareness, use tools like the Enneagram to understand your patterns, and connect with other leaders who want to lead with presence and purpose. Details are in the description below. Because in a new era, leading with self awareness isn't optional, it's how you thrive. And until we see each other again, I hope you have a powerful day.